Talia, Shabbat Shalom, and welcome to another Cooking with Tea video. Today we will be making challah. Challah is just basically bread. It is served on, in this case, Shabbat or any other Jewish holiday. And that's what we're going to be making today. So let's get right into it.
But can anybody have challah?
Yes, everybody can have challah. You just heard him. As I was going to say, here is my trusty helper, Daddy.
Challah is delicious. Anybody can eat it and should eat it.
Yes, it's just bread. And also, please make sure to smash the subscribe button and like to our channel because it would really help. So let's get right into it. So what we're going to be doing is just pouring this in the yeast, and then we have to let it foam up for 5 minutes. So we'll probably see.
What's this?
I don't know what this is.
It's warm water.
Oh, warm water and yeast.
Cup of warm water. Do you know how much yeast?
No.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon?
Yep.
Okay. Now all we gotta do is let that foam for 5 minutes. So
you want to mix it up.
Oh.
Remember to hold the bowl while you're doing that.
This smells funny.
It's the yeast.
Then from now on I hate yeast. This good?
Let's see. Yeah, it seems mixed enough.
So now I'm gonna let that foam for 5 minutes, so we will see you then. So I'm gonna be cracking these eggs, but not in the normal way, so it might take a while. So
what do you need? Because you need how many egg what?
7.
7 egg yolks.
Yeah, and like this is the most eggs I've ever done.
Split it over the sink.
Oh.
And try to hold on to the yolk. There you go. Over the sink, not the side.
So hard. Fail.
Egg 1 failed. Here, try one more.
And then if this doesn't go well, I am not doing it. You have to crack these.
Okay. All right, let's see it. There you go. Work it back and forth. Nice job.
Success! So now the 5 minutes is up, and I'm going to be putting all of this stuff in here.
Let's look what this looks like.
I want to mention, my Uncle D made this bowl, this bowl, this bowl, and this bowl with his hands. And he actually made this one for me. My brother got one too, but let's not worry about him right now. So I guess I'm going to put all this stuff in here.
What's that? Do you
Sugar.
remember? Sugar.
Salt.
Yeah.
Eggs. Oh wow, it's dripping. There we go. Olive oil?
Canola oil.
And bread flour.
All right, careful with that.
Oh gosh. That's what you get sometimes when you got a big bowl of flour that your uncle made for you. Too big of a bowl.
All right. See this paddle over here?
Yeah.
See if you can get that.
Attach that to the mixer.
Yeah, see if you can get that on.
This is the part we're going to need to stay back. Because oh boy does it splash on you.
Can you get it on?
Oh gosh.
You have to like push it and then turn it.
Okay, it won't work. We had some technical difficulty there.
All right, get it on stir.
Just let it mix. So now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to cover your dough. I'm just going to use a towel here and let it rise for about an hour.
hour to an hour and a half. You want it to double in size.
Exactly. You want it to rise, just like monkey bread. You leave it out, and then it rises.
Yep, that's right.
So we'll see you in an hour to an hour and a half. Hey, Rose! Welcome back, guys. And it's been an hour or so, or maybe an hour and a half. And
Hour and a half, yeah.
It felt like so long. So I guess we're going to have to flour the surface now with our challah since we're
Well,
getting...
the first thing is you want to punch that down a little bit. You want to punch the dough down.
No, I'm just kidding. It really has risen since I have been here.
Punch it. There you go. Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not.
All right,
It's actually a very big accomplishment.
all right, now you got to break it into how many pieces?
Yeah.
3 equal pieces.
I know, I'm trying to get some challah each. And this will be a very big challah. It might look small to you at first, but it's actually going to be very big.
We got 4 pieces there.
No.
That look even in size?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, what do you want to do?
Roll them out. Now, this is the part I'm going to probably have trouble with. Nope. That is definitely finished. So now we're gonna braid this beautiful challah. Gonna braid it on there.
You can braid it on the table and then we'll move it on.
Okay, so what you're gonna do, I'm a very good braider, so I'll just connect all of these, right?
Yep, squeeze them all together, nice and
Squeeze
tight.
them real tight, so they don't fall apart, because you don't want them falling apart during braiding, or else that's gonna be a disaster. And then just fold one over the other. It's very easy when you look at it. Sometimes it might look complicated, but look, I just folded, I just did it so quickly. Couldn't even tell how long it took. That's how easy it is to braid challah.
All right, now here's the test.
Putting it on the pan.
Yeah, lift it up and move it onto the pan.
Successful again.
Now we've got a baking sheet with parchment paper on it.
So it doesn't stick.
That's right.
Because if it sticks, we'll be able to eat the challah.
That's right. Okay, so now what are we going to do with it?
Put it in the oven.
Oh.
I'll let it rise.
Yeah, so why don't you grab the red towel right over here and put it on top.
We'll see you in like 30 to 45 minutes. You'd already have dinner by then. It risen again. See. Okay,
How long has it been?
like 45 minutes.
Okay. So what are we going to do next?
We're gonna egg wash this.
Egg wash it? Do you want to try to explain what that is?
I have no idea what an egg wash is, FYI. So I want to give 2 quick shout outs to my friends. So the first one is to my friend Kaya. Just thanks for watching. And the other one is to my friend Nora. She's been making the milkshakes and I really appreciate that. So thank you guys all. And so now we're going to put our sesame seeds on. This reminds me of the Jim Henson show because they created the characters from Sesame Street and Sesame Seeds, you know.
Okay. All right, so what's next?
We're going to put it in the oven
All right.
for like 25 to 26 minutes. So now my dad is going to take the challah out of the oven. It's,
Look at that.
oh wow, look at that beauty. That egg wash really did do some. I know there was steam, but I just could not wait. I know there was steam, but I just could not wait. It's super hot, but who cares? And I also have a special guest here with me. You probably already know him really well. My brother, Noah.
And by the way, I just taste tested it.
And how is it?
It's really good. I could
How is it, Talia?
because I love challah.